Feedback versus criticism. What's the deal? Feedback is the crane of creation. Criticism is the bulldozer of bullies. It's all about intent. Before you say something, a deep breath might be a good idea. And ask yourself honestly why it is that you want to speak. That will help you determine your motive. And why does motive matter? Because that will decide whether what you offer is an opportunity for creation and possibly healing, or you're guaranteed to inflict pain. Feedback is best received in the right place, at the right time, with the right intent. Trust yourself. You'll know. Even unpleasant feedback has the potential to do good. Once considerate feedback is shared, the ball is in the receiver's court. Their response is out of your control. You've done all you can do. So be thoughtful when you decide to approach. Take a look at your hands. Are you carrying a construction tool or a baseball bat? So have a fantastic day. And remember that balance is bliss.
Brought to you by Expressions of Life Meridian Oils.
Thank you for sharing great gifts we can.